Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change board background here in Trello. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the background of a Trello board is a straightforward process that can help customize your workspace and make it more visually appealing. Now, once you are here on the interface, all you're going to do is go to the upper right corner and go to the change background. You see, you can choose photos here like Kevin Wang, all of it. Okay, it's from the images here are from Splash and you agree to the license agreement and terms of service once you use that. You can also search if you wanted. You can also choose the color. For example, this one. This one is a straightforward process, right? Because choosing a background that provides good contrast with text and colors, ensuring the content remains easy to read and accessible, right? Now, if you hover back to the, you can also put in the custom, wherein you can simply choose a picture for the background, and that's that. It's a straightforward process that when you use backgrounds to visually separate different sections or tabs of information on your board, making it easier to navigate, alright? You can use backgrounds to help organize or categorize different boards if you manage multiple projects, making it easier to quickly identify the board that you need. Of course, you can create a visual that aligns the structure or priorities of the board, helping to guide attention and focus. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.